So a few days ago, me and Rodolfo got a letter from a student named Bethany. It says, "What are the changes in matter?" by Bethany. I hope we can answer these questions for you.
Good question, Bethany.
Okay, so some examples for your question, which is right here. What are the changes in matter? So some examples are like an ice cube melting. If you leave it out in the sun or in any type of heat, the ice cube will start to melt. Necessarily, the what it's chemically made of, it won't change. It'll just change how its appearance.
Another example is a crayon melting in the sun, because it is a solid, and when it forms to a liquid, it's still a crayon, just a liquid.
Another example is a plate. We all know what a plate is. It's usually hard, and you said they're not all circles, right? Okay, so when a plate is thrown to the floor, what it's made out of, like I said before, it's still the same when it's made out of, but it looks differently because it's broken. Another example, Rodolfo?
Another example is when you rip paper in half. It is still paper, even though it is made out of wood.
Your question, Bethany. So a visual example would be this pencil. Breaking a pencil is also a change in matter. So you see the pencil, you snap it in half. That's a change of matter, huh?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is not a change of matter because it is still a solid.
Because she asked the question, change in matter. So that would be the
This is not a change in matter. A change of matter is melting iron, melting a spoon, melting wood.
Okay. So another one was melting a spoon, and like Rodolfo drew in his great artistic ways, a spoon, and then the spoon being melted.
Aaron, you're not good at visual. You're not good at making examples. Exhibit A: spoon on a pot. Once you cook it at the temperature that's high enough, it will melt. This is an actual visual representation of a spoon being melted. Totally legit.
I hope we answered all your questions, Bethany, and if we didn't, well, have fun failing science for the next year. But
Have a great life.